Welcome to AI CareerCo, where we strive to make it easier for people to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge to excel in their career path in the field of artificial intelligence. Our vision is to empower individuals to reach their full potential and achieve their career goals. Where we believe that emotional intelligence is a crucial skill for success in any career. Whether you're in tech, business, healthcare, or any other field, emotional intelligence can give you the edge you need to excel. Today's lesson is all about the importance of emotional intelligence and how it can help you succeed in any field. Join us on this journey as we explore the many benefits of emotional intelligence and unlock your true potential. Let's get started. Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about something that has the power to change your life. It's something that can help you be a better leader, a better communicator, a better problem solver. It's something that can help you build stronger relationships, not just in your professional life, but in your personal life as well. It's something that can give you the ability to handle difficult situations with grace and poise. It's something that's becoming increasingly recognized as a vital aspect of success in our fast-paced, ever-changing world. And it's something that we all possess within us. That something is emotional intelligence, also known as emotional quotient or EQ. Emotional intelligence is the ability to recognize, understand, and manage one's own emotions, as well as the emotions of others. It's not just about being aware of your own emotions, but it's also about being able to empathize with others, understand their emotions, and regulate your own emotions in response to theirs. It's about being able to build strong relationships, to communicate effectively, and to navigate difficult situations with ease. But let's take it one step at a time. The foundation of emotional intelligence is self-awareness. It's about being aware of your own emotions and how they influence your behavior. By developing self-awareness, you can gain a better understanding of your own emotional responses, which in turn allows you to make more informed decisions and build stronger relationships. And the great thing is, self-awareness is something that you can develop. To improve self-awareness, start by paying attention to your own emotions throughout the day. Keep a journal and record your emotions and the situations that trigger them. This can help you identify patterns and give you insight into what causes certain emotional responses. By becoming more self-aware, you'll be able to take control of your emotions, instead of letting them control you. And that's just the beginning. Once you've developed self-awareness, you can start to work on the other key components of emotional intelligence: self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. By working on these components, you'll be able to build stronger relationships, communicate more effectively, and navigate difficult situations with ease. You'll be able to handle stress with grace and poise, and you'll be able to lead with compassion and understanding. So, ladies and gentlemen, I urge you to start developing your emotional intelligence today. It's not something that comes naturally to us, but it's something that we can all learn and improve upon. By doing so, you'll be able to live a more fulfilling life, in both your personal and professional relationships. It's a journey worth taking, and I promise you, the rewards are endless. Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you were feeling a strong emotion, but couldn't quite put your finger on what it was? Or maybe you've had a disagreement with a loved one and couldn't understand why it was happening? These are all signs of a lack of self-awareness. Self-awareness is the key to unlocking our emotional intelligence. It's about understanding our own emotions and how they influence our behavior, and recognizing and naming different emotions. But how do we develop self-awareness? One way is to start paying attention to our emotions throughout the day. Keeping a journal to record our emotions and the situations that trigger them can help us identify patterns and give us insight into what causes certain emotional responses. Another important aspect of self-awareness is understanding how our emotions affect our behavior. For example, if we're feeling angry, we may notice that we're more prone to make hasty decisions or become more argumentative. By being aware of this, we can take steps to regulate our emotions and make more thoughtful decisions. But self-awareness isn't just about understanding ourselves, it's also about understanding how we come across to others. By understanding how our emotions and behavior are perceived by others, we can improve our relationships and communication. In summary, self-awareness is the foundation of emotional intelligence. It's about understanding our own emotions, recognizing and naming different emotions, understanding how our emotions affect our behavior, and understanding how we come across to others. By developing self-awareness, we can improve our decision-making and relationships. So, my friends, let's start paying attention to our emotions, keeping a journal, and understanding how our emotions affect our behavior, in order to become more self-aware and emotionally intelligent individuals.
Thanks for watching our career development video. We hope you found it informative and valuable. If you're looking to advance in your career, we have great news for you. AI CareerCo offers a variety of services to help you achieve your goals. In our career development website, we have the tools you need to succeed. You can find it in the description. By subscribing, you'll never miss a video and will always be up to date on the latest tips and tricks to help you succeed. And don't forget to check out our career development website, where you can find resources, courses, and more to help you achieve your goals. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you on your career journey. See you next time.